Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky section in Wix Studio. This is a fantastic feature that keeps important content visible as your visitors scroll down the page, which is perfect for navigation menus, call to action buttons, or any element you want to stay front and center. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website management area where you can access all your site settings and configurations. Now you'll see a preview of your website along with its current settings. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to create the sticky section. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've verified you're working with the correct site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens for building and customizing your site. From the editor, start by adding a new section to your page. This will serve as the foundation for your sticky element. Next, you'll want to remove the background of this section by setting the background color opacity to 0%. This creates a clean, transparent base to work with. After that, adjust the padding of the section to ensure proper spacing around your content. Now head over to Add Elements, which is located on the left navigation menu, and click on it. You'll see several element categories available for customizing your website. From the listed options, look for Layout Tools and click on it. Under the Layout Tools section, start by adding a CSS grid to your section. The CSS grid is a powerful tool that gives you precise control over how elements are arranged. Once your CSS grid is added, customize its size by adjusting the width so it fully occupies the section. Then scroll down within the grid settings to add another row. This creates more space for your content. Fill in the gaps between these rows with around 15 pixels of spacing, which helps maintain clean visual separation. Don't forget to add padding around the grid for uniform visuals across your design. Next, let's refine the appearance. Adjust the corners to give your section a rounded effect by setting at least 50 pixels on each side. This softens the look and makes it more modern. Also adjust the borders if needed and change the background color to something that complements your site's design. Once the section structure is set up, it's time to add content. Start by adding a title. Head back to the left navigation menu and under Add Elements, click and drag a text block into your section for your title. Don't forget to customize the font size and color to make it stand out appropriately. Then add a paragraph text block below the title to provide supporting information. Now add a button on the opposite corner of this sticky section. This button could be a call to action or a link to another page. After adding the button, the next thing to do is add an image that enhances your message or branding. Now here's the crucial step that makes everything sticky. Click on the section itself and on the right customization menu, look for the position settings. Click on the position type drop-down menu and from the selection choose sticky. Once you've applied this setting, your section will remain visible as users scroll down the page. If you want to create multiple sticky sections with different content, simply duplicate the entire section and change its content accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sticky section in Wix Studio that will keep your most important content visible no matter how far visitors scroll. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.